Ever wondered how you could turn your kitchen scraps into a goldmine for your garden? The answer is composting. This age-old process transforms organic waste into nutrient-rich soil, offering myriad benefits for your garden and the environment. Now, if you're intrigued, you might be wondering how composting works. Let's dive right in. Composting might seem like a complex process, but it's quite simple when you break it down. It all starts with collecting compostable materials, which includes things like vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and yard waste. Next, you'll want to set up your compost pile or bin. Layer the materials, starting with browns for carbon, greens for nitrogen, and a bit of soil to get things going. Over time, these materials will decompose thanks to the work of microorganisms, worms, and fungi. Regularly turn your compost pile to speed up the decomposition process. Once fully decomposed, the compost is ready to be used in the garden, enriching the soil and promoting healthy plant growth. And there you have it, the process of composting in a nutshell. But there's more to it, so stick around. Now that you know the process, there are a few key points to keep in mind to make your composting journey successful. Composting is all about balance, using a mix of greens for nitrogen and browns for carbon. Avoid composting meats and dairy that attract pests. Turning your compost heap regularly aids decomposition. Use your rich finished compost to nourish your garden and boost plant health. Remember, composting is not just about recycling waste, but also about enriching the soil and contributing to a healthier planet. So are you ready to turn your waste into a garden's treasure? Let's recall the magic of composting, a time-honored method that morphs our everyday organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. It helps our gardens thrive, supports biodiversity, and significantly cuts down on methane emissions from landfills. By composting, we're not just creating a haven for our plants, but also doing our part for the planet. Composting is a simple yet impactful way to contribute to a healthier planet and more productive gardens. Why not give it a try?